how to create a PayPal ME payment link. In order to do this, you will need to sign into your PayPal business account. You will need to have a business account for this. Then we're going to focus on the left-hand side. Expand the Pay and Get Paid menu. And then you want to scroll all the way down until you see paypal.me. Click on that option, and here it's going to take you to this page. Help people know it's you, they are paying, and you want to click on Create PayPal.me profile. First, it's going to ask you to add your photo, so you can add a photo by clicking on this button, but I'm going to skip that step for now. I'm going to click on Not Now, and then here's where you will type your link. So this is the link that people will need to use in order to pay you. So I'm going to do just this as an example, and now it's going to show you whether the link is available or not. If it's available, you will get a green check mark and you can click on Next, go through the prompts, and that is going to set your PayPal ME link. I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.